Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement. And then you look down here at the volume on Friday and, biggest volume it's had in quite a while. And of course, the price acted very nicely with it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, a lot of updates here need to be made. So let's first start off with some levels of support. And one of the newest areas of support after today, and what I would call, the ideal level going forward would be $5.50. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below it, what I'm not saying is that implies the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. I'm not saying that at all. 550, sure, if the price can stay above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power, but by no means is it a do or die level or anything like that. Certainly just a preferable level where, like I said, if the price can actually stay above it, that would be a great sign of strength. Next level of support after that would be that gap close location right down there around $4.70. So near-term levels, again, $5.50 and then $4.70. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 550 would be great, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, near-term level going into Monday right there around $6.75, and if the price can push up through there, the next key level is just where the party stopped on Friday, up there at $7.50. So keep an eye on those two hurdles going forward. All in all, though, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to where the lows have been, so you go through the history, and it's become very apparent that the price continues to build higher bases, and that's what you want to see. So as long as that's the case, like I said, just let the chart do its thing, and the resistance levels will fall. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.